Alright guys, so today I'm here to review the protein puffs for strawberries and cream by Shrewd Foods. Alright, so I just ate these and honestly, 1 star out of 5 or 10, depending on which way you feel about protein puffs that taste like packing peanuts, like stale, hard packing peanuts that turn harder in texture and scratch your mouth as you take every bite. The flavor is interesting as well. It's really strawberries and cream, which I assume it would taste really sweet, but it's not sweet. It's actually kind of salty too. As a consumer, even though this is gluten-free, this is what everything you don't want in a protein puff, or just in like puff in general, because the texture is god awful and there's nothing great I can really say about this other than the fact that it's a fun way to get your protein intake in instead of whey protein. I personally would rather stick with whey protein, but if you know anything about me, I redeemed these through Sweatcoin, so $5. I'm not really complaining for a bunch of different flavors, but besides the fact that there's no artificial sugars in here, I can't really say anything great about it either. So up to you. They have cookies, you know. There you have it, guys. Shrewd Foods. All right, thank you guys. Have a nice day.